I got JimLiElevators.
Let's ride it. Here we go. Listen to that indicator.
Yeah, I know. It's old.
It's an old Dover Impulse. Alright, we're gonna go to 2. So here's the motor. Alright, let's go on 1. Door close, you press the button, or the door close button works. I'm gonna do a fixture cam this time.
We'll take it for one more ride and then we're going to end the video back down here.
You can push the button this time.
Yeah, I know the ceiling's filthy too.
Pardon about the loss of focus as this was taken on my Samsung Galaxy S2 very, very long time ago before I switched to an iPhone.
Send it down to 1. My Samsung Galaxy S2. There we go.
Please excuse the complaining about my camera losing focus. I do apologize.
There's your cab.
This is an old video from a very long time ago, so I decided to cut parts out where I was cringy.
Sometimes my camera has focusing issues too.
Alright.
As we close out of this video, I also would like to wish Alex Stack a very happy birthday.
There it goes. That'll be it.